Did you know that there's over 146,000 miles of roads here in Arizona? Now, that's a combination of ones that are actually fun and a combination of ones that, well, turn into dirt. And, well, today, I'm going to be taking that in the dirt for the first time. And that is, of course, as you know, my 2021 KTM 690 SMC R. That is by no means equipped for off-road riding. With the amount of carbon fiber and, well, powder coat on these wheels, and let's just say the Michelin Pilot 2CT track tires are probably not going to fare well. But it leads to the question of, this is basically the Enduro R, right? To which I can kindly say no. At least for this 690. Definitely the wheels and tires is a huge difference, right? Also protection too. I'm assuming the Enduro R most likely wouldn't be a carbon fiber skid plate and something plastic or probably metal. And yeah, you'd probably have a little bit different setup, especially on the bars or contact points with the ground. But either way, that's not going to stop me today from coming here and going down this road that I've never been on before, because I'm tired of getting limited just by these asphalt roads. So let's put a helmet on, let's turn all the cameras on, and let's see how far we can make it. I'm assuming probably not that far. God dang, it is beautiful out here. But yeah, let's see where this goes. Not too confident, but let's do this thing. Here we go. Now, just obviously for internet's sake, no, I am not trying to go fast. This is going to be a very light run. Okay. Oh, this is already so scary. Whee! Oh. Look at this. Oh God, 2 hands on the bars. Oh my goodness. Okay, okay. So what, we're going downhill now. First gear, probably not the best with this washboard stuff. This is horrifying with huge rocks. Oh God, and I'm just hoping nothing gets punctured. Oh, and it definitely feels slippery. Yeah, to say the least, it feels slippery underneath. That's all right, we got this. Dang, it's cool over here. Oh, there's even more rocks. Oh, I gotta come back up this, don't I? Oh boy. Okay. We're to the first wash. Oh, there's a little bit of concrete. Oh. Okay. Okay. Oh, now I gotta go uphill. Oh. Steering is different. I think I'm just more scared than anything. It's doing okay. Oh, we're going 20 miles an hour. 20 miles an hour. Yeah, this is the least productive way of doing it. But wow, look at this. This is kind of cool. Oh. Whoa. Man, you can get to some really cool places around here. Oh boy, corners. Why am I like so scared for these? Oh, you're going uphill and like, oh God, it reminds me of the, oh God, dirt bike days. There's traction control. There you go. Now you're finally kicking in. You know, and I just watched this darn thing. Alright, whatever. But whoa, this is kind of cool. I wonder what. No, that looks like an expert-y trail, or at least a trail that's not meant for this bike. Is that asphalt? Is that asphalt? Oh my goodness. Because usually when I come to things like this, I tend to have to stop and turn around and stay on the pavement, or you know, so I thought, but I don't necessarily want to push it too much. Oh, dips, winding road. What is this back here? We're in like the middle of nowhere now. Now it's an adventure. Ooh. Whoa, look at the trees. Man, we're getting into something now. I wonder, are there houses over here? Oh, pavement ends. We had a fun little run, that's for sure. Let's see. Cattle grate. Oh, that was way harder than I thought. Okay, get it together. See, that's what I need out here. I need that damn defender. Okay. Well, slow and steady wins the race. Alright, I'm stopping over here. Oh, wow. Just look at it out here. Holy smokes. Oh, God dang, look at that. So I think we've made it far enough back here. And well, we've had a mix of dirt roads, a little bit of asphalt, some leaves, and almost some fall foliage. And well, I mean, just the beautiful scenery out here. I mean, you cannot compete with just country that looks like this. But I think we answered the question, right? Can you take your KTM 690 SMC R off-road? Yeah, you can. It's not fun, it's not great. It's horrifying. It's, yeah, panic-inducing. You don't really know if there's grip or there's not grip or where the front end's going, and it's just definitely not set up for it. Yeah, if you wanted to do this on the SMC R, I would definitely recommend not only tires, but also suspension too. Now, I'm not saying change out the suspension, but readjust it a little bit. I mean, I still have this stagnant for a track setup, and it's kind of hard. So out here, it's 3 times as hard as it normally would be. So soften it up. And grip, tires, confidence, a little bit bigger front end to kind of get you over some of the bigger rocks, boulders, and washboard kind of that comes around here. Yeah, that'd be important. But at the end of the day, if you needed to, I mean, you could. But it's not the best tool for the job. I would not suggest it, and it's probably the last time this thing will be seeing dirt. Which leads me, I guess, to the next question of, is there another bike coming? I don't know, actually. This would be the theme that I'd kind of want to go towards. I would love to spend more time out here adventuring in the middle of nowhere, taking random roads and trying to make an adventure out of a day. But it's not in the cards right now. So I'm going to try to do some things on the back end to make this style a little bit more possible. But I digress. So until next time, remember, keep riding. Wow, it's a giant jet. Of course, there's airplanes out here, you know, audio, middle of nowhere, no distractions, but there's airplanes going over.